a raw material which is revolutionizing the paper and packaging industry: Silphium plant fibers. Cultivated in Germany as an energy crop for biogas plants, it contributes to the preservation of existing ecosystems and to biodiversity. We found a way to use silphate fibers as production materials. Using a biothermal process, we process the fibers into a high-quality raw material for our silphate paper, entirely without chemicals and using just a small amount of water and energy. By adding precisely these fibers, we produce our Silphi paper in the paper mill, the basis of our sustainable packaging solutions. Whether it's folding boxes, trays, or banderoles, the packaging experts in our packaging hub develop innovative, customized packaging designs for our customers. The entire value chain in this process, from cultivation to finished packaging, up to subsequent disposal and reintroduction into the material cycle, is made in Germany, is efficient, and with the fewest possible emissions. From field to market, and then back to nature. Together, we close the loop. OutNature. Rooted in the future.